Need to enable SMB2 or higher on your Windows 11 system? This quick guide will show you how to do it easily. Stay tuned to ensure your network shares work smoothly and securely. Start PowerShell as administrator by pressing the Windows key +X and selecting PowerShell Admin. Type the following line in Windows PowerShell and press Enter. If the result is true, your system can run the SMB2 protocol. Type Windows features in the Windows search box and select the Turn Windows Features on or off option. Once the Windows Features window opens, check the SMB1/CIFS file sharing support option and hit OK. Restart your PC and check if the problem with SMB2 is resolved. Start PowerShell as administrator by pressing the Windows key +X and selecting PowerShell Admin. Enter the following command and press Enter. Press Y to confirm. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.